Now we will see how we can divide two fractions. Let's try an easy one first. We try to divide 1 by 2 by 1 by 4. Fraction 1 by fraction 2. The steps for division are also very simple. In fact, the first step is the simplest. We find the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is the divisor. The second fraction in our example is 1 by 4, and its reciprocal is 4 by 1, which equals 4. In the second step, we multiply the first fraction, which is our dividend, with this reciprocal. So we multiply 1 by 2 with 4 by 1. This is simply multiplication of two fractions. The third step is to simplify the expression. To multiply two fractions, we multiply the numerators and keep the product in the numerator. Multiply the denominators and keep the product in the denominator. Then simplify. Product of the numerators is 1 multiplied by 4, and that of the denominators is 2 times 1. 2 and 4 have 2 as a common factor. 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. After simplification, we get the answer as 2. It was simple. 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 equals 2. How do we understand this? What does the answer 2 actually mean? Let's erase this and understand it. What we want to find is 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. What is this half? How do we understand 1 by 2? Let's assume we have a square that is divided into two equal parts. To represent half, which is one part out of 2, we color this part. So 1 out of the 2 parts of the square is colored. What about 1 by 4? Now let us draw a square divided into 4 equal parts. To represent 1 by 4, we color just one part out of the 4. This can be written as 1 divided by 4. So 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 in words can be read as how many 1 by 4s do we need to make a 1 by 2 or a half. If we color another part in this square, we can see that exactly half of the square is colored, which is 1 by 2. This means that we need two 1 by 4s to get a 1 by 2, which is precisely why the answer is 2.